Here's a list of tools you need to complete this job. 4 new spark plugs. I went with MOTORCRAFT. A flathead screwdriver. Various pliers. A 3/8 inch ratchet. A variety of extensions. A 3/8 inch swivel adapter. A 5/16 socket. A 5/8 inch socket for spark plugs. Optional. Torque wrench if you want to properly torque your fasteners. A magnetic tray for organizing fasteners. A cordless ratchet to speed up the process. Compressed air for cleaning the debris. Dielectric grease for spark plugs. A flexible magnetic tool. Affiliate links to everything I've used are in the description. First, remove the engine plastic cover. Disconnect the wiring to the ignition coils by moving the lock pin towards yourself with the help of a flathead screwdriver. Two coils will have harness tabs holding onto the fasteners. Remove them. Then remove the 5/16 inch bolts securing the coils. To remove the second bolt from the right, it's handy to move the air intake a bit. I'll take the 2 bolts holding the intake off to make it easier to move and relax the clamp here. Remove the coils and inspect them for deterioration, oil traces and cracks. Looks good. Next, remove the spark plugs. I'll be removing old and installing new spark plugs one at a time as I go. Be careful and hand tighten them. Make sure not to cross-thread. These plugs come pre-coated and pre-gapped from the factory, so nothing else is needed before installation. Repeat for all 4. Use the torque wrench to tighten to 12 Newton meters or 8.7 pound-feet. Then install the ignition coils and secure them with bolts. If you want, you can add a little dielectric grease with each coil at the hole that goes over the plugs, but it's not necessary. Reconnect the intake and secure it by tightening the clamp and 2 bolts. Make sure one side goes over another without distorting. Reconnect the wiring. Reinstall the engine cover. Thank you for watching. Drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time.